Tonight, CBS News has learned the CDC is preparing to issue an alert to doctors nationwide about a mysterious new illness tied to coronavirus. More than 180 cases have now been reported in 17 states and Washington, D.C., and there are concerns there may be more that have not been diagnosed. CBS's Jericka Duncan is in New York, where 3 children have died from the disease. Jericka?
Well, Margaret, health officials here in New York say that the number of children affected by this rare illness has now nearly doubled in 1 week. Today, the governor of New York expressed alarm at the growing cases of the mystery inflammatory illness in children.
To have a child, we thought that children were not especially affected by the virus. To now find out that they might be, and it might be several weeks later, this is truly disturbing.
Of the 102 cases of this illness, the governor said nearly 3/4 of them were admitted to the ICU. At least 17 states and the District of Columbia are now reporting cases of children impacted by this illness, which is similar to Kawasaki disease and believed to be related to COVID-19. Symptoms include fever, rash, abdominal pain, and vomiting. Dr. Stephen Kearney is chief of pediatric critical care at a hospital in New York. He's seen over 30 children with this mysterious illness.
Is this another example of how much we really don't still know about COVID-19?
3 weeks ago, I would have told anybody who listened that this just doesn't affect kids.
8-year-old Jaden Hardawar seemed fine after recovering from a fever when he suddenly went into cardiac arrest. His 15-year-old brother, Tyron, a Boy Scout, performed CPR.
He already started to administer CPR, pumping the chest, which is, he was fast.
Jaden was taken to the hospital and immediately placed on a ventilator.
Next few days, his heart came back.
He spent 13 days in the hospital. Yesterday, he returned home, and today he had his first visitors, the firefighters who helped save his life.
Coming back. Got it. Right.
Doctors say it's important to note that even as we've seen more of these cases in the last week, most of these inflammatory syndrome cases, Margaret, are treatable.
Thank God for that. Jericka, thank you.